Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2024, and it is hot outside in Salt Lake City, and I'm with Sean from Raith, and they have a new instrument out, and called the Vector, right? And it sounds absolutely fascinating. I was hoping you could tell us about it. What is the Vector? What does it do?
Sure. Thanks, Eric. The Vector is it's an automated SEM. It fits somewhere in between a conventional analytical SEM and a CD-SEM, like you would see in a fab. So some of the key features are hardware-based. They're laser interferometer-driven stage, so really excellent placement accuracy across a really large range of motion. So across a 6-inch wafer, within 100 nanometers placement accuracy anywhere you navigate. And if you're willing to confine yourself to a smaller field of view, it could be less than 10 nanometers accurate. So very accurate stage. It's also self-leveling with a laser height sensor, so you can really speed up your autofocus time because the sample will level for you. And those things contribute to allowing the tool to a high degree of automation.
So what's its main purpose is large 2D data sets?
Yes, either stitched data sets, like if you want to reconstruct a very large gigapixels type of area, or many thousands of individual images all across your substrate. It does that through kind of a nice workflow where you can make a recipe, repeat the same kind of measurement on similar samples, and do this very repeatably.
So it's kind of like a CD-SEM, but tell me it doesn't cost $10 million like a CD-SEM does.
That's correct. It's much closer to a conventional analytical SEM in terms of cost.
So this is mainly for like the semiconductor industry or other sort of industrial applications?
Yeah. Semiconductor is the first one that you would think of, but of course we are adaptable to R&D type environments. We have multi-sample holders, so you can put small piece parts of any type, or small volume manufacturing. If you have a certain number of parts that you can't afford a large CD-SEM, then maybe this is a good solution in that kind of environment as well.
Okay, so if anybody's interested in finding more about the Vector or any of the other crazy things, like the crazy fibs you guys make, which are nuts, where do they find you online?
Yes, check us out at raith.com, and you can find all of our information there. Also, feel free to reach out to us on the Consultant Expert page. So.
Okay, cool. I should have taken this candy out of my mouth before we started this interview, but now we're done. So hey, we got more coming up at M&M 2025 next. Thanks. Stick around.